Are your clothes still damp after one cycle? If so, you have a problem. We traced the problem through the entire vent system and found the answer. Lint buildup on the vent hood, which was preventing the damper door from closing, and there was a lot of lint built up inside the vent. Before every cleaning, we scoped the vent with a high-resolution camera to check for blockages, damage, or unsafe setups. This helps us know exactly what we're dealing with before we start. The vent was so packed our camera couldn't go any further. These images showed just how severe the blockage was. We cleaned the vent from the outside using our high-powered 30-gallon air compressor mounted right in our van. A specialized air whip propels deep into the vent, blasting lint out with force. No mess inside your house. Don't worry, we clean up everything. We lay down a tarp, blow off the dust on the nearby walls and surfaces, and vacuum the entire area to leave it spotless. Had to dust off before heading back inside to remove that flammable foil hose and replace it with the safe, code-compliant upgrade. We removed this flammable transition hose. Not only is it a fire hazard, but the ribbed design also creates air turbulence, which reduces airflow and lowers your dryer's performance. Anytime you see duct tape on a dryer vent, it's a red flag. We removed this section to inspect the elbow, and it's a good thing we did. It was installed upside down with the crimped end facing toward the dryer instead of away towards the exterior. The backwards setup restricts airflow and increases the risk of lint buildup. Because the elbow was installed backwards, the next piece of venting had been heavily modified to make it fit. We had to remove this section too. It simply wasn't correct, safe, or functional. This vent was rigged, taped, twisted, and totally wrong. After removing all the bad sections, we cut a brand new pipe and replaced it with the right material. It's clean, safe, and built to last. All seams and joints were sealed with foil tape to prevent air leaks. The transition hose was securely clamped to both dryer and new rigid vent. No duct tape, no shortcuts, just a safe code-compliant connection. We pushed the dryer back into place and noticed the new transition hose. It's crush-resistant and holds its shape, unlike the flimsy foil hose we removed. We finish every job with a second camera check to make sure your vent is 100% clear. 2,061 feet per minute is a very strong airflow.